Hello everyone. So in the previous lecture we learned about Arduino Uno, and in this one we are going to learn about Arduino Nano. Let's proceed to see our module. So here, this is the microcontroller Arduino Nano. You can have a close look at it. This is how it looks like, and this is the back side. So it is much more complex than the previous one, Arduino Uno. As the name suggests, nano, so it has to be compact, just like a small thing as compared to Arduino Uno. So here it's the power supply jack, and let's say it's cable. So this is the cable for Arduino Nano. Here this one is for PC, and this one goes to the jack of the Arduino Nano, just like this. So it is connected. You can have a close look at it. This is what it looks like. So let us dig into our Arduino Nano. So as you can see, some pins here, and in Arduino Uno there were two kinds of this set there. Here is only one. You can use these as external pins, and on this side we can see many pins and pin numbers written. So let us continue one by one. First is TX, then RX, and TX1 is for pin number 1, as TX is pin number 1, and RX0 is for pin number 0, as 0 is the pin number for RX. Then there is an RST, which is for reset. Then there is a GND, which is for ground. Then D2, D3 up to D12 on this side. D represent for digital, and 2 up to 12 is for pin number. Like we have seen in Arduino Uno, there were pin numbers on the digital section. As if you remember, there was digital, and in bracket parenthesis there was written PWM, pulse width modulation. Here nothing such is written like pulse width modulation. Still we can use all the pins for pulse width modulation, or you can remember them from Arduino Uno. Okay, so D represents digital, and 2 up to 12 represents for pin number. Let's go on for other side. Here you can see D13 for digital, pin number 13. There was no space here, so they kept one pin here. Then 3V3, which is used for 3.3 volts. Then REF, which was also present in Arduino Uno. It doesn't has much work for beginners, so we will not discuss it right now. We will talk about it later. Then there is A0 to A7, 8 pins. If you remember, in Arduino Uno there was a section analog in, where were 6 pins, A0 to A5, and in this one there are 7 pins, A0 to 8 pins, A0 to A7. These also have the same function as Arduino Uno. They are for analog input. And then comes 5 volts. Then again reset. There are 2 resets. Here also is a reset, here also is a reset. Then there is a ground. Okay, so if you are not able to see, then now you can see this 5 volt, reset, ground, and VIN. This VIN has the same function as it had in Arduino Uno. It is for external power supply if you don't have jack. And GND represents ground, and RST reset. Now let's discuss the other features of Arduino Nano. This button here, this is the button. As you can see the clicking sound. This button is used as reset button, as its function was in Arduino Uno. There was red color, and here it's white color. Depends on the model, which model you are selecting. And you can see 4 tiny things here, 4 white colors, after which RX, TX, power, and L is written. These are the LEDs. like they were in Arduino Uno. RX is for receiving, TX is for transmission, and in Arduino Uno we had on, but here we have power, so it's not big deal. And L is for LED built-in LED. So yeah, it doesn't has any big difference between Arduino Uno and Arduino Nano, but still Arduino Uno is better for beginners, as this is bit complicated structure and the pin numbers are also complicated, and they have not written what is the function of each pin number. So yes, if you are beginner, I would suggest you to use an Arduino Uno first. After that you can use Arduino Nano. Thanks for watching.